Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Bing Chat on your mobile device. Depending on when you are watching this tutorial, Bing Chats might already be publicly available on your mobile device. To verify if you can use Bing Chat, open up your Google Play or App Store application on your mobile device. Look up for Bing. So you just have to search for Bing. The Microsoft Bing Search, Microsoft Edge browser or Skype communication apps allows you to Bing Chat. In this example, we will use this Bing search app. Download this application and then open it up. In the home section, you should see this Let's Chat option. It's allowing you to start chatting with Bing Chat on your mobile device. If this option is unavailable on your device, you will have to follow a couple of steps. First, ensure you are logged in to the correct Microsoft account. At this time, only Microsoft accounts with access to Bing Chat will be able to make use of this feature. To allow access to Bing Chat on your account, open your preferred browser and navigate to bing.com and just log in, and you will be presented with a couple of steps you just have to complete to gain access to chat mode. And after logging in the Bing Chat, you will receive an email when you can access Bing Chat, allowing you to use it on your mobile device, and then you can use Bing Chat on your mobile device. So that's it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.